Hello students, in this class we will be doing mode, how to find mode of for the group data. As we have finished with mean, so we are going to start the next measurement of central tendency, that is mode. In 9th class you have done mode for ungrouped data. Mode is highest occurring observation is known as mode, right? This is what you have done in the previous class. So when you are being given some of the observations, so whichever observation occurred for maximum number of time, that was used to be called as mode. But in case of group data, let me do how to find the mode. I am going to explain you the procedure with the help of one example. So students, I have taken the question number 1, exercise 14.2, given at page number 275. In this question we are being given ages in years and number of patients are being given as frequency, and we are being asked to find mode and mean. Mean we already have done. Let me tell you the procedure of finding mode. So let me start. Now in this case of mode, you are not supposed to calculate any of the thing, like you're not supposed to calculate class marks or deviations or product, nothing. You just have to apply the formula. Now what is the formula of mode? Formula of mode is L1, that is lower limit, plus F1 minus F0 over 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So this is the formula for mode. Again, L1 stands for lower limit, F1 is the highest frequency of the given table, F0 is the frequency previous to highest frequency, right, over 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. F2 stands for frequency next to highest frequency into H, that is the class size of mode, right? So let me explain once again. So we have the terms L1. L1 stands for lower limit of model class. Now what is model class? Model class is class corresponding highest frequency. Right? So in this question, let me write the model class. Model class is highest frequency 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. So students, which one is the highest frequency? 23. So 23, in front of 23, which class is there? 35 to 45. So model class is 35 to 45. So according to this, what will be L1? Lower limit of model class. So 35 is lower limit, 45 is upper limit. So L1 is 35, that is lower limit, right? So in the formula, the next variable that is used is F1, F0, F2. Now let me define one by one. F1, that is highest frequency. Highest frequency is termed as F1. F0 is frequency previous to F1, and F2 is frequency next to f1, right? And what left? H. Now H is class size, class width of model class. So in formula, whatever terms variables are used, all the variables I have defined here. I hope you understood. Now let me apply these variables in the given question. L1 we already have done. Now highest frequency is termed as f1, previous one is f0, next one is f2. Students, in your syllabus, in all the questions, you will never get first frequency as highest or last frequency. First and last frequency will never be highest as far as 10th class syllabus is concerned. You will always get the highest frequency somewhere in middle. Means you will be in a position to get f0, f1 or f2. In no case you will get first frequency or last frequency as highest frequency, right? So here we have f1 23, f0 21, f2 14. So let me write here f1 23, f0 21, f2 14, and we have h, that is 45 minus 35, 10. Gap of 10 is going on. So we have all the values of the variables used in the formula. So what is left? Just the application of the formula. So let me apply here. L1 35, fill the values carefully. F1, that is 23 minus 21 over 2 times f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So we have filled all the values. Now simplify carefully. 23 minus 21 to 46 minus 35 into 10. So it is 35 plus 2 into 10 over 11. So it is 35 plus 20 over 11. No need to take LCM. You can just convert this fraction into decimal. So let me convert 20 divided by 11. 11 ones are 11. Remainder will be 9, 90, 88, 20, 81. So it is what we get. We get 36.81 is the mode of given question. So this is the solution of your question, students. This is how we have to find mode. But one important part that I haven't told you yet, that is, whenever you're being asked to find mode of group data, you have to ensure your class intervals must be continuous. Class intervals must be continuous. For example, here 5 to 15, 15 is upper limit of first class and 15 is lower limit of next class. 25 is upper limit of second class, 25 is lower limit of third class. So you see the continuity. So class intervals must be continuous. And in case class intervals are not continuous, how to make the class interval continuous, in what other way the class intervals can be given, this we will discuss in the next class.